What's going on, guys? Nicksbankrupt here with a new video. Before we get started with this video, huge shout out to Shift Click Media right here. They are so kind enough to take photos of the Huracan. Oh my god, the license plate didn't even update. Pretty much what happened was my MacBook's not working. The MacBook I edit my YouTube videos on aren't working. All black, screens flashing. I got locked out of my garage as well, so these guys want to shoot during the daylight, but it's night now, so sorry about that, guys. If you haven't already, please make my day better by hitting that like button and hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned. I'm going to update you guys with this whole photo shoot and everything they're doing, but the content they're going to be getting is fire. To make my day even worse, security decided to come through. Oh, they're not doing anything. So they just left right now. Unfortunately, they couldn't stay here too long. I'm still on the phone with Apple. This whole day has been pretty negative, but you always got to stay positive.
So Apple Care is $379.
It's a red F80. I know it's not a comp though, because it's not popping and crackling. It's just very raw sound. But yeah, we have the boy taking photos here with us. There it is. There's the beauty. So I just took some pictures with his camera. Here, show him real quick. Okay, it looks way better in real life. Follow my Instagram at Nicksbankrupt to check that out. The pictures are gonna be fire. Huge shout out to Shift Click Media for coming all the way out here just to shoot for like literally 30 minutes. Not even 30 minutes, like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Dude, I felt so bad.
Where did they come from?
Came all the way from like Dublin area. We're gonna go ahead and open the Reviver app real quick and just update the license plate because it didn't update due to the fact that I was multitasking and I didn't even give it time to register. So as you can see here, it just went through as I opened the app. This license plate will update momentarily. Also, if you guys do want to see an update video on like my thoughts about having the Reviver plate and everything like that, there you go. You can see it update right now. I'll go ahead and make a video like that. Here, let's take some rear shots now.
All right, well, you gotta move the car.
No, it's perfect right here, bro. This shot is amazing.
Fine.
It looks great.
I have to change that lens out.
No, keep that. Keep that
higher
lens.
aperture.
No,
No, they can't. It's too zoomed.
No, it's perfect.
This is a 50 millimeter.
No, I'll use it. Guys, we're at the top of Oak Ridge Mall's parking lot. Not the top, but like the top. I was on the phone with Apple, and this Mustang has the audacity, just comes here flying. He starts coming up to my car. I walk in front of the car because if he hits me, I'm better off dead before it hits my car. And he just gasses it while I'm on the phone, so I have to mute the agent. Are you kidding me? Every time I'm trying to talk, someone has to step on the throttle like that. That's fire. Let me see this thing. Let me see this thing. You don't know what you're doing. Hold this. Hold this.
I know exactly what I'm doing.
Dude, I do, bro.
Does not have a camera of his own. Never taken his own shots. Always has other people taking shots for him. We have a BRZ going through the parking lot. We got photographer Nick over here. No idea what he's doing, to be honest. And he acts like he's a professional photographer over here.
Bro, you're just hating. You just finished up the shoot. My pictures definitely came out better than his. I can't wait for Shift Click Media's like photos. Like their pictures are phenomenal. If you guys haven't checked them out, be sure to check them out. Like they really have good photos. They came all the way out here to shoot the Huracan, to see the wrap. I had a bad day because my MacBook's not working. It's now in the front and I have to send that back to Apple. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. We're gonna go film a Randonautica video right now. So if the videos don't get uploaded, we're dead. As always, remember to never settle.